Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Come test drive the 2020 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, body color door handles, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.